For all of you who are stressed, it's holiday, we're getting ready. What are we going to cook for dinner tonight? So, you know what? I went to my freezer. I found sausages in the freezer. Awesome. I found my baked beans. Awesome. In the refrigerator. My pot. All ready to make an amazing sausage and baked bean dinner for my husband and I. My sausages and beans are perfect. You know what? Take a can of beans, pour it in. Take your other can of beans, pour it in. Take your spoon and give it a nice swirl. Love that sizzle. Isn't that amazing? We now have beans and sausage. And of course, I'm making my fresh salad. This is a easy middle of the week dinner for everyone to be able to just say, let's relax tonight. We've been cooking for Yontif. We're getting ready. My sausages, frankfurters, whatever you have in the house has been sauteing and it's perfect. It's beautiful. We're ready to go. Turning off the oven. Made a fresh, beautiful salad. Put your favorite dressing on it, lemon, oil, salt, pepper. Maybe you want to do a little tahini, whatever your family enjoys. Let this be tonight's dinner. Perfect, easy. We don't need the sauce. Let's make tonight an easy dinner night.